be the shortest video you ever watch on Bitcoin. Number one, all the ETFs that got approved this year have been buying in huge wave. They've acquired, I've got the sheet here, we were looking at since January, all of them combined in the US and global, about 600 to 700,000 Bitcoin. Currently, this is mid-August numbers. They hold, this one went from 621 to 910,000. And as a global side, we went from 767,000. They're saying that now total ETFs in the world holding Bitcoin have 1,070,594 Bitcoin. Okay, so there's only 21 million. They just bought up over 1% of the supply in about half of the first year that it was approved. This was also a year where the supply, the amount of Bitcoin getting issued out, has been reduced. That's going to get reduced again in 4 more years. If you don't understand that if there's a set amount of something and people keep buying it and there's not going to be more in the future and they continue to issue less every 4 years, this is what value looks like, right? Scarcity drives value. So if you're not paying attention to why billions and billions of dollars are pouring into an investment class that's newly approved and you're still sitting on the sidelines, this is what smart money is doing. So you want to make money sometimes, it's kind of easy. Follow the flows. This is large amounts of money moves happening in every time there's a dip too. You can see, I got other charts you can see, but that dip that happened in beginning of August we just had, Bitcoin was like maybe 60,000, went down to 49,000 on, I think there was, it was a Monday, but it was that day that everything in the market went down. Heavy buying in these ETFs that happened. I think they were buying something like 7,000 Bitcoin got bought that day, if I'm remembering what I saw. So if you're not looking at Bitcoin yet, you need to start looking at it. You need to be asking yourself some questions. YouTube is plenty helpful. I mean, ask me if you got a specific or something interesting that you think I could help with. But number one is just, you got to pay attention to new assets and new investments as they arise, and especially when you're looking for big players in a portfolio over a long-term horizon of your investment portfolios and things. Getting in early is part of what makes those tremendous type returns when you have a 15-20 year holding on something, because you're investing from a very early point in something's life with a long-term vision hold to it. This is how you can get these outsized returns. But definitely got to look here if you're not paying attention already. Talk to you later.